Hello tech enthusiasts. Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. We're going to learn how to install APK files on an Android device. Installing APK files can be useful when you want to try apps that are not available on the Play Store or when you have downloaded an app file directly from a website. Open the File Manager app. This app allows you to browse and manage all the files stored on your device, including downloads, documents, photos, and installation files. Next, navigate to the folder where your APK file is saved. In most cases, APK files are stored in the Downloads folder if you downloaded them from the internet. Scroll through the folder until you find the APK file you want to install. Once you locate the file, simply tap on the APK file and tap on Install. Your device may show a message asking for permission to install apps from unknown sources. If this happens, tap Settings and enable the option Allow from the source for the app you are using, such as the file manager or browser. After granting permission, return to the installation screen and tap Install for some time automatically. The installation process will take a few seconds. When it finishes, you can tap Open to launch the app immediately or Done to exit the installer. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips, tutorials, and easy guides to get the most out of your Android devices.